Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph and I'm in the studio with Julia one more time. And we're doing like this very interesting shoot. We're using like plants to surround Julia. You can see we use this creeping plant to creep around her arm. And then we also added like a bunch of flowers in the back, and then we're also pairing it with a green backdrop. This is just because of the theme. We were just inspired by nature, and Julia is a plant lover. So we just decided to find a bunch of plants to put them around her and create like an interesting concept out of it. So in terms of my lighting, because of the feel of this image, what I want to go for is like a very soft portrait. So even though we have like these plants and a backdrop, I'm going to be shooting at 1.4. So I'm going to be shooting really shallow because I want to blur them in the background, and that's going to add like some softness to the image. Okay, so for my light source, I have a big light here, which is feathered and angled away from here. It's also brought in like really close so it can create like a very soft light on Julia. That light is going to travel across, hit this big reflector, bounce some of that light back onto Julia. So already we have like a bounce light going back and forth and creating a soft light on here because we are eliminating shadows. We also have a second reflector underneath, which is going to catch the light from here, which was going to go down and go waste, but it's going to bounce up back onto Julia and open up the shadows over there. So you can see we're caving her in this shape right here, and it's just going to help create like a very soft light on Julia. Again, shooting at 1.4 is also going to help with that. So we have our third light in the back, which is coming through my strip box, and that's just supposed to create like an edge light to separate her from all this going on in the back. So that's just about everything that's going on. And I have my Sigma 85 1.4 art lens. So this is going to compress everything, bring everything in the back closer, and because it's a 1.4 lens, it's going to go really shallow and help with the depth of field that we are creating. I have my Ninja 5, so you guys again can be a part of this shoot. So let's just get started actually. All right, so walking through my settings, currently my shutter speed is at 1/125. I'm shooting at f1.4 and ISO 100. All right, so I have turned off my main light, which is in group A, and I'm starting off with my group B light, which is the edge light. So just take a test. Yeah, and you can see that is adding like an edge light to this. I'm going to turn on my group A light, and currently it's set to 1/64, and I'll take another shot. Beautiful. Now you can see we have the soft light on here. I think I have moved it a little bit too much to the side, so I'll bring that light closer to me so we can wrap around here a little bit more. I think I'll also just get off the stool and put the reflector down here so I can move around freely and shoot. Okay, so now let me just take another test. Yeah, this is actually perfect. So now we can start shooting. I'm coming down. Yeah, that's beautiful. Stunning. I like that.
Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling, cause you love to have them all crying.
I'm also going to come close to you for this one. I feel like if it's a tighter shot, it will look really good.
I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around.
Okay, I like it when you're looking down on the plant, so just look down on the plant. Yeah, perfect. Nice. Perfect, I love that. Okay, so you can engage with the camera a bit more now. Yeah, that's lovely. Beautiful. Yeah, I like that. Okay, just a few more shots. Stunning. Stunning.
When I take it all, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want you And it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight.
Now let me just come like really close and then take like very tight shots of just your face and then your hand, and then that would be it. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, that's nice. Stunning. I love that.
Too bad I've been sticking on your mind.
You can chin up a little bit.
How you taking all my time? Left, right, can you took it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. How you taking all my time? Left, right, can you take it all night?
Alright, thank you so much guys for joining us in today's video. Thank you Julia for blessing us with your presence and helping us make this shoot come to life. Also, your boy Pabing also did amazing on Julia. It helped bring everything to life again. And thank me for capturing these amazing images. If you had fun as we did on the set, leave a like, leave a comment, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Remember, don't ever give up.
Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweeter, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like CANON. Wanna swim down to the deep